online, you could be surprised with free lava cakes, free stuffed cheesy bread, free pizza, or more.
Oh my goodness.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for southern Edwards County in southeastern Illinois until 9:45 p.m. At 6:48 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Albion and Browns. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following county: Edwards, Illinois.
The power of one can provide